guys, and welcome to my channel. So for today's video I actually haven't done get ready with me video in a really long time. So I wanted to do that. I wanted to chat with you, like to make like a really casual video, and I wanted to show you how to do like a fox eye for hooded eyes. I'm going to start doing my makeup, and I'm actually going to show you what I use because I have foundation on my face and I have brows. It's really natural, nothing like special. So you basically know that I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, maybe comment something on this video, what would you want to see next and stuff like that. And first thing that I'm going to do is actually I'm going to just carve out my eyebrows with concealer. I'm using this one from Catrice, is Catrice Camouflage, like cream concealer. And I forgot to tell you the products that I used on my face. So as a primer on my face, I used the Revolution Pro Blur Stick. I'm not really, to be honest, I'm not really satisfied with this product, but it's not like bad. It's okay, just I don't like it on my skin. And then for foundation, I was using Revlon Colorstay 24 hours. This is like with matte finish because I have oily face and the color is natural tan. I love this foundation. Look how my skin looks, like really nice and bright. I really love it. And for my brows, as always, I use the Nyx Eyebrow Gel. I love this stick. I use like 10 tubes of this. I love it so much. So for eyeshadows, I'm going to keep it really like simple. I'm not going to overdo with my eyeshadows, and I'm going to use this Sigma palette, Warm Neutrals eyeshadow palette. I think that they discontinued this palette, but they have similar, like, you know, these shades, like every other makeup palette has kind of like these shades. First eyeshadow, I'm going to be taking this one, this kind of like, it's really like basic eyeshadow, almost like white, and I'm going to just apply it all over my eyes, crease, basically everywhere, because we actually want to create like we have crease and we don't. So now the next eyeshadow that I'm going to be using is this one. This is kind of like a brown eyeshadow, like a warm brown eyeshadow. I don't know. We only want to create like we have crease, you know. And for that, I'm going to open my eye and just place eyeshadow somewhere here. I'm going to put it up. And with this blending brush, I'm just going to blend it to make it softer and prettier. And as you can see, you want to like go in this direction. You want to like lift your whole eye. This brush is clean. So now we're going to be using gel eyeliner and little brush. And for hooded eyes, this is like really important how you do. So how I'm doing my eyeliner, I'm going to show you, but I just quickly wanted to talk with you first. I open my eyes. I have to look in a mirror, sorry. I open my eyes and I look straight into the mirror, and then I kind of see where like crease ends, and I have to kind of elongate my eyeliner a little bit and make it in this direction. So first I'm going to like this and then like this. So I have space for my triangle or wing. And then what I also do is that I do not like make line like this, like all over my eye. I just stop somewhere here, because when I open my eyes, this part here is going to be like bright and white, and I'm actually going to put here a little bit of eyeliner, you know, and it will look amazing, perfect. So I'm going to show you so you can understand better, because I am not good at explaining things, you know. When I speak and try to do this, I always make a mess. But you see, it's not bad. That's what we want. And I actually think that this eyeliner is maybe a little bit dry. Yeah, this is what we want. Maybe we want it like this. But this is kind of like what we want. So now we are making this inner wing. And I just like put straight line and then I connect it like here. Okay, I'm going to learn how to explain things better. And as you can see, it's not looking really like clean, but we are going to make it clean. I'm just going to finish this eye and I'm going to come back and to show you how we are going to like make it nice and sleek and pretty and everything. So now I'm taking a little bit of this cream concealer, and as you can see, I kind of feel like it's a little bit dirty down here. You want to make this part of your eye really bright, because you see what it does. You see what it does. Look at this side and look at this side. And then we also wanted to do that here, because it really lifts the eye. And I'm just with my beauty blender going to blend that really nice in my skin. We are almost done with the eyes. We just need like a couple of finishing touches on the eyes. So the first one is that I'm going to be using the same shade that I used on my crease, and I'm just lightly going to dust it like here under my lower lash line. Now with my highlighter, I'm just going to highlight like my inner corners, and I'm also going to highlight here, and I'm also going to highlight my nose and here. And now we are applying like fake eyelashes, and as you can see, I cut this because here is where I want to place my fake eyelashes. I don't want my fake eyelashes here because we want this from our eyes. I'm going to put it somewhere here. Yeah. And then while it's still wet, I'm going to lift this side like this. You see? Amazing, perfect, I love it. I apply fake eyelashes and I feel like a different person instantly. So now what I'm doing, I'm just applying mascara. Mascara is from Essence. I told you I'm going to link everything in the description box down below, and I'm just going to lightly apply here and here. And yeah, eyes are done. So now I'm just going to contour my nose. So I'm taking my bronzer and I'm lightly dusting like here and here. Now I'm going to bronze up my face. Also, I wanted my face to be like bronzy, nice and bronzy. So this is where I'm bronzing, like here, then here, but in kind of like a upward motions. You see, like that. And this, and maybe a little bit here. Now I'm just using this peachy blush. As you can see, it's really nice. It's peachy. And now in the end, we only have our lips to do. And for my lips, this is my all-time favorite combination. First of all, Rimmel Cappuccino. You know about this lip liner. It's amazing. I love it. Like that. And for my lipstick, I'm using this shade. You see? It's kind of like a perfect nude. It's like peachy nude. I love it. I look really ugly when I apply my lipstick. And we just have to do lipstick in lipstick, a lip gloss in the end. This is kind of like a goldish lip gloss. It's actually a lip topper, but it looks more like a lip gloss. And this combo, I don't know. So I think my pictures with this makeup are going to be so good. So yeah, my makeup is officially done. Now I'm just going to fix my hair a little bit. I just like to brush it with this like white tooth comb because it makes like my hair so fluffy and nice. And I'm actually preparing for you a hair tutorial real soon, so if you want to see that, subscribe to my channel and you'll see it. It will be amazing. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. I really hope actually that you liked my makeup, and don't forget to go on my Instagram and like my picture. It will mean a lot to me, and it would mean a lot to me if you subscribe to this channel actually, because I have amazing videos for you. Like, you will need to watch, but I'm sure you're not going to be disappointed in me, trust me. And yeah, I really hope you like this makeup tutorial, because this is kind of like my favorite makeup to do all time now. I'm doing like every day because my eyes look really nice and dreamy. I just love it. I don't know what else to say. I love you guys so much. Also, comment in the section down below what is the next video that you want to see from me, and if you want to see like my hair tutorial and stuff like that, don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, and I'll see you next time.